Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to download Poppo Live app on your device. So if you're making use of Android device, you have to use your Play Store app in order to download Poppo Live. Then if you're making use of iPhone, you have to use App Store in order to download Poppo app. So if you want to download your Poppo Live app, this is what you have to do. I'm making use of my Android, so what I have to do here is to tap on the search option on my Play Store app, then type in Poppo Live. So when you type in Poppo Live, you are going to see the option of you to install if you haven't installed one. I have installed Poppo Live on my device. That is why it is showing me the option of open. So I just have to tap on open. So now that is it on how to install Poppo Live on your device. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the notification bell, tap on the subscription button, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's going to help this video a lot. Thanks for watching.